she thinking I study philosophy. Just give her some weed or some wax and a bottle of Dawn, we start making pornography. She thinks she in love, she getting this bone from a thugger. She thinks she in love, she getting this bone from a thugger. She singing in harmony. We be fucking the show, but shit always feel a little better. We just finna job her. All of my ears, seriously heard off a Reddit, or bitches I'm following. Yeah, lay your head down. You be looking good when you rockin' a messy bum, but I love when your head down. You looking at me, I be looking at you. What the fuck is we having to stare down? If anybody wanna get, I wait till shit, they be knocking them dead down. No sex, head first, baby, get your bread first. Your nigga called, he gon' curd. She in my sweat shirt. Baby, don't break my focus. 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 Baby, don't break my
I like this shit though.
Oh, my apologies. I wrote this side down.
You know you dead wrong.
Man, I apologize. I'm a little late this morning. I'm sorry.
Right, man, you apologize.
I'm sorry.